Hi, welcome back to another episode of Seamless Info YouTube channel. This is Avavadi. Today I've got the Apple AirPod Pro and I'm going to show you 5 amazing tips and tricks with this. Let's move on. The first tip I'm going to show you is how to remove these earbuds from this case. The simple way is to place your finger here and do a gentle pull, and you will get this. This is a touch sensitive stem which you can double tap to do various features. So this is the first feature, and let's move on to the second one. In the next feature I'm going to show you how you can customize your AirPods functionalities. First you have to take it and place it in your ear, and then you should go for Bluetooth. And now you can see that the AirPods are connected. You have to click this eye icon, and then you can see the left and right AirPods. Now if I place this as well, you can select that the left can be CV or noise control. I'll let it be for noise control, and for the right one I can select CV. So like this, there are many options, like you can customize it, like noise cancellation and transparency. For the next one, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods with an Android mobile. So let's do it. Then to connect it, it's a very simple and easy method. You just have to go to settings and go to Bluetooth, and you have to on your Bluetooth, and then you should open your Apple AirPods and you can see a button behind it. You have to hold that button and press it continuously. Then if you search it here, you will be able to see it. Now you just click it and you press pair, and it shows Bluetooth connection, and you click OK. So now you can see that AirPods have been connected with an Android mobile. Moving on to the next one. In this feature we are going to learn about Live Listen. With Live Listen you can hear the sounds what an iPhone can hear through your AirPods. So first you take an AirPod and place them in your ear. First you'll be able to see an ear icon here, but if you're unable to see it, first you should go to settings and go to control center, and then you should customize it and add the hearing option. Then you can see that the hear icon. You can see that Live Listen is off. Now I'm going to turn it on. And now you can see that the iPhone's mic has been activated. So this is how you can listen to your phone. Let's move with the next one. The last one is finding your AirPods. So in case you lose your AirPods, Apple gives us a feature to find this. To do that, first we need to go to Find My, and then you can see the various devices which are connected, and then you click on AirPod Pro, and then to find it you can see the address here, and you can play the sound to listen to it. You may not be able to hear the sound. Let me place it near my mic. So in my personal view, I feel that Apple has made an amazing product for us. We'll meet again with another interesting video. Until then, bye.